Hello again, it's Noob, and this is really cool. Well, I think it is anyway. These are two Domus Eurocylinders from Greece, the first Greek locks I think I've ever picked. And these were kindly sent to me by Isaac. Just really cool that I can pick a vintage one. It's only a little 4-pinner. I think I've got the key here. There's the key. And a newer 5-pin doesn't have a key, but we can still pick it, can't we? So yeah, let's do a bit of a compare and contrast between the vintage and the new Domus. Going to throw this one in the vise. Make sure I don't get the cam trapped in the drawers. There we go. I've got a Peterson gem and just a turning tool. I'll do bottom of the keyway because why not? And very tight little keyway this. Pin 4, pin 3, 2, and open straight away. So all standard pins. I don't think there's any point in gutting a lock like that. It's 4 little standard pins in. Very, very cute, but obviously not very high security. Nice, relatively tight paracentric keyway though. I'll give it that. Right, leave that there and pop in the newer version, and let's have a look at this. No key for this one, so we're guessing. Turning tool in, probably same pick. Pin 3. Going back through. Pin 2 here. And oh, open. I swear that was only 2 pins. Let's try the other side of this one. Might be tempted to maybe gut this one, I don't know. Pop that in. There we go. That was... So, oh, this side seems a bit... so there's nothing there, nothing there, nothing there. But I think I've got to pick this pin here if I can get it. There we go. And, oh, yeah, only 2 pins. Very curious as to what's going on in this one. Yeah, let's actually have a gut at this one. Now I've got this open. It's like an extra long cam piece, and it just won't let me pull it out from the middle. Ah, well, if it's the reason why I can't need to follow it out one way, or I'll never be able to reassemble it. So it looks to me like I can't do anything about it, sadly. Nope, I can't gut it. What a shame. Anyway, they're all standard pins in these. I was surprised that despite having 1 more pin, this was technically easier to pick than this one, because I had to pick at least 3 pins in this and only 2 pins in this one. Interesting compare and contrast, but I absolutely love these locks. My only Greek-made locks in my entire collection, I think. And yeah, absolutely love it. So thank you for watching. If you have a comment, please leave one below. I'll read them all and reply to as many as I can. If you like the video, leave a like. If you haven't subscribed and want to see more videos like this, then please subscribe. It really helps my channel out, and I'll see you all next time.